Hello, my name is Kendrah Tennison from Heartisans Job Readiness Program. We had the privilege of spending some time with Emmett Schenkel. We brought him to our facility to speak to our graduates regarding situational awareness and self-defense tactics. We felt like it would be a wonderful enrichment for our ladies to understand the things that they should be cautious about in our community and some ways that they could keep themselves safe and defend themselves if they were ever in a questionable situation. And we could not be more pleased with the content that he brought, the way it was delivered. He was so sensitive and kind, dealing with delicate conversation and situations that some of our women have dealt with in their lives. He was just absolutely amazing. I can't say enough good about him, and we just recommend him to anyone who might have a staff or an organization that could benefit from hearing from these topics. He's so knowledgeable and so easy to listen to, so fun, and we just can't wait to have him back. Thanks, Emmett. We'll see you soon.